Hello guys, welcome to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Trubin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram black and white screen problem on your iPhone and Android device. Lot of Instagram user has been reporting to when they open the Instagram that time black screen and white screen problem show on iPhone and Android users. Now the Instagram users question is what to do for the fixing this issue on iPhone and Android device. So guys, before the starting video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and Android device. Sometimes lot of users when they open the Instagram that time it's a black screen and white screen problem show on the Instagrams. It's a very annoying problem for the Instagram users. In this video I give you some solutions for fixing this issue on iPhone and Android device. So guys, please make sure follow the steps. Now the first one solution is most important. The solution is download install old versions of the Instagram on your iPhone and Android device. Now first of all open the any browsers. In my case I will open the Chrome browsers. In this website link I give you on my descriptions box, so guys please make sure copy and paste. Open this website. After scroll down you can see also 21st February 2022 is stable versions. Now please make sure tap on it and download install on your iPhone and Android device. So guys, this way too you can easily fix your problems. Now I will show you second solution. The second solution is clear data and clear cache of the Instagram on your iPhone and Android device. Now first of all find out the Instagram applications from your iPhone and Android home screens. Now press and hold. After you can see also app informations options available. In the app informations, first option is storage uses. Now please make sure tap on it. Now wait for the calculations of the storage. When the storage uses calculation is done, after you can see also clear data and clear cache options available. Now please make sure tap on both on you can easily fix your problems on your iPhone and Android device. Now I will show you third solutions for the Instagram this problem fix. So guys, sometimes lot of Instagram users use the old versions of the Instagrams. So guys, now first of all open the Play Store in the Android devices and App Store in the iPhone. Now top corner search bar, in search bar search Instagram application. If you any latest versions of the Instagram versions is available, now please make sure download install on your iPhone and Android. So guys, this way too you can easily fix your problems. These three solutions apply on your iPhone. This way too you can easily Instagram black and white screen problem fix on your iPhone and Android device. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much.